to having this Goa Monsoon festival, and this is a good initiative by him. And I thank my all participation club. Without club, it is not possible to have this type of a tournament. Many sponsors can come, but without dedication and supporting the club, this is not possible. I thank all participation club of our all GPL clubs who have participated for this Monsoon festival. I thank Mr. Moti because this is something different he has got in Goa. This has never happened. I have to never had that Monsoon festival, and that also support to the nature. They have planted every match, every goal, hundreds trees. That is very important is for Goa and it was required. Second initiative is taken, this is all our under 20 boys. Say no to drugs. This is also very important for our Goan youth. Because nowadays in colleges everywhere there you may know the news what is happening. But in sports, any sports, I'm not talking about only football, but football give you more strength, more energy to play. But this narcotic and all, it should be stopped entire in Goa. And this, my supporting staff, especially I want to thank Mr. Adler De Cruz, General Secretary, he's put, and Jonathan, they have put a lot of effort to this tournament. And special thank to our Duler ground manager, Mr. Lobo. He has given tremendously support to this organizing tournament. And all my referee and all people who has come and supported this league.
Good evening. It's a great honor, and we are conducted at Goa Monsoon Football Premier League in association with Goa Football Association and lot of sponsors. 16 clubs have participated. We have taken the three themes. One is Goa tourism, development of tourism, and say no to drugs, and environmentally the challenges. We are taking one goal, 100 trees. This is the main thing we are focused, and we are making the art and culture and football in a single line. Every Goan is a football player, and everyone loves to play football, and we are encouraging. Now we are finding the grassroots football players, and we are taking them into next level. In the 16 clubs, we selected 16 players, and we are making the Super League. And the Super League players will be selected, and they will take forward to the international soils like France and Italy and Latin American countries. And we are selecting the players, and we are taking them to the different soil and different academic situations, and we are promoting them in a bigger way. Every Goan player will be focusing as a dream to play in the European Union. So the dreams comes true in a particular way. So we started the screening of players from the grassroots, from the clubs, from the schools, from all the academic procedures we are taking. And I can say honestly, minimum 10 to 15 players from next year, they can play in European Union countries.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.